Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Hope you're all fine, healthy and safe.
Today is World Tourism Day.
And so in order to mark this day, we are going out on a very short trip after a long gap.
But with a measured precaution.
Yes, we are carrying our masks, sanitizers and we will try to restrict our human contact.
Plus social distancing, which is important.
So, where are we going to?
We are heading to Daman Haba.
Yeah, because this year's World Tourism theme is rural development.
We start the navigation from Taliganj to Diamond Harbour. And yippee! Our journey begins!
And as we drive towards our destination, let us tell you some fun facts and some details about Diamond Harbour.
Diamond Harbour is a city in the South Chobbish Pargana district in West Bengal.
It is situated on the eastern banks of Hooghly River.
Earlier known as Hajipur, the city was renamed as Diamond Harbour by the British.
In earlier days, Diamond Harbour was a stronghold for Portuguese pirates, and it is these interesting stories that drove us to choose this destination. There are 3 ways by which you can reach Diamond Harbour. The first one is by local trains.
The local trains ply between Shielda and Diamond Harbour railway station and takes around about 3 hours. The second way to reach is via public bus.
You can easily get buses from Esplanade Bus Terminus in Calcutta, and the buses will take you to Diamond Harbour in around 3 hours.
And the third way of reaching Diamond Harbour is by taking your own vehicle.
And because of the present COVID situation, we opted for the last mode of transport. And after a few minutes, we get the view of the mighty Hooghly River.
Hi friends. So we have finally reached our destination, which is Diamond Harbour.
And you can see the beautiful view behind us. And on the other side, there is Haldia Petrochem. After spending some time in the Diamond Harbour picnic spot, we are now at Sagarika Tourist Lodge.
There are other local eateries available. However, due to the ongoing pandemic situation, we thought of choosing a safest place to have our food.
The restaurant is extremely clean and they have completely followed the protocol and the guidelines. We are happy that we chose this place for our midday meal. So let's check out the menu. The food served was really fresh, but the price charged was slightly on the higher side.
With that, we begin our return journey to Kolkata, leaving Hooghly River behind.
Hence, while returning back, we halted at Basha.
And this is Swaminarayan temple, as photography is not allowed inside, so we can't show you.
So in order to explore this place, you have to come by yourself.
So with lots of memories made, we begin our journey back to home, hoping and praying that everything gets back to normal and we can soon explore different places around the globe.